Okay, moving ahead with question number 13. Question number 13 says that 5 into 25 to the power n plus 1 minus 25 into 2n to 5 to the power 2n upon 5 into 5 to the power 2n plus 3, here 25 to the power n plus 1. Now you can see that 25, 25, 25 here. So all of them have to be turned into power 5. So let's see what is to be done. So 25 we are going to write as 5 to the power 2 raised to the power n plus 1 minus 5 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 2 n whole divided by, now here you can see it's already 5. Now I will just add this up, 5 to the power 2n plus 4. Why? Okay, 3 plus 1 will write 3 plus 1. The bases are same. If nothing is there in the exponent, it means it is 1. So 2n, this 1 will be added to this exponent, being the bases are same, minus 5 to the power 2 raised to the power n plus 1. Now this is equal to 5 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 2 has to be multiplied to this. With what rule is that? A to the power m raised to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. Means what will happen? 2 will get multiplied to both numbers, that is n as well as 1. So it will be 2n plus 2 minus 5 to the power, what it is? 2n plus 1. Okay, here oh, I'm sorry, let this be, no issues. Once we add it, we'll take it out. 2n plus 4 minus 5 to the power, you have to multiply this, 2n plus 2. Okay, fine. Now are we supposed to add, subtract this? No, we cannot add, subtract at this point of time, because they are not in multiplication. Here it is subtraction, here also it is subtraction. Now see what we have to do. You can see 5 to the power 2n, 5 to the power 2n, fine. 5 to the power 2n, after that it is 2, it is 1, means 1 more here and 1 less here. But always lesser number of common terms can be taken out. What will happen to this? Now see here, 5 to the power, this 5 I'll write inside the bracket. Okay, 5 to the power 2n we can take as common, because here and here. What more is common? I said plus 1. Now 5, this 5 is this one. Now 5 to the power, anything is left? Yes. How much is left? 1 is left. How? 2n over. Here it is 2, only 1 I have written. So it is 5 to the power 1 from here, minus. You write inside the bracket in the algebra, x square is inside given, then x if you take common, x to the power 1 you write inside the bracket like that. Okay. Here 5 to the power 2n plus 1 has already come out. So what will remain in that place is 1. Okay, so after that what will happen? The denominator also has to be worked out. Now this 5 I have written here, 5 to the power 2n plus 1 we have written, square. Oh, wait a minute, here 2n plus 2 I wrote it as 2, 1, it has to come as 2. So if it is 2, then here both will come as 2 only. There is nothing that is going to remain inside. That's what I was wondering. Previously we have solved these questions. Okay, hope you are getting it. See here, it was 5 to the power 2. We have added this to this, so 5 to the power 2n plus 2, 2n plus 2. 2n plus 2, 2n plus 2 being common, 5 to the power 2n plus 2 has come out. Along with this we had 5 here, we have to write minus, if the whole thing comes out we write it as 1. Fine. Now here we have to see, here it is 4 and here it is 2, so it is 2 more here. So what will I do is 5 to the power 2n plus 2 into bracket 5 to the power 2 minus 1. What does this mean? 5 to the power 2 has remained from this 4. Here it is only 2. You may say that 4 can be written as 2 plus 2. Yes. Then this part will be common like this. What will remain? 5 to the power 2 will remain here in the denominator. You need not write like this. I just showed so that you can understand. Now after this what? These two will get cancelled or get subtracted. How they will get subtracted? Check here. It is okay. Here I have written multiplication. Here taking common outside is not any law. That's a simple step of mathematics. 5 to the power 2n plus 2 minus 2n minus 2. Why? I have directly subtracted here. This minus this is going to become 0. Now into 5 minus 1 is 4 and 25 minus 1 is 24. Now you very well know that 4 ones are and 4 6 are. Here negative 2n, positive 2n, positive 2, negative 2. This will be 5 to the power 0 into 1 by 6. What is 5 to the power 0? Here what we have used I am writing a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. This is worked. For this I have written that. So now what will you get? 5 to the power 0 is what? 1. So that will be 1 into 1 by 6. Okay, we used a to the power 0 is equal to 1 here. So answer will be 1 by 6. 1 into 1 by 6 is nothing but 1 by 6. Next question will be, we are done with the 13, then it will be 20th. Most of you had asked this question, that how to solve the 20th. I'll explain you the same. Now here is the 20th question. The question says that if ABC is equal to 1, then prove that. The question is, I'll have to refer the textbook for the question. If that is there, 1 upon a plus 1 plus a plus b to the power minus 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus b plus c to the power minus 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus c plus a to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 is what we have to show. Now this whole thing is LHS, this is RHS. Whenever we start such questions, we have to start with the left hand side, write it as LHS. Now I will not be writing the question again because I can erase and write, you cannot. But the thing is, you don't have to write the whole question, you can start with LHS, but first you have to write if. Why? Through that if we are going to write down a condition to use in this. So if this is there, if I write a is equal to 1 upon, now they are all in multiplication. If I send it to this side, what it will become? Division. So this I am going to write as LHS. So if this is LHS, okay, LHS, then what we will make out of it? Now see here, 1 upon 1 as it is. In place of a I am going to write 1 upon BC plus, this is what? 1 upon B. Why? The rule says that a to the power minus m is equal to 1 upon a to the power m. We are using that here. Now plus 1 upon, what will I get? 1 plus b plus 1 by c as it is. Now you may say here there is no a, so I haven't substituted that. Now I'm erasing this. You should keep it at the end of the third term besides this step. Okay, I don't have space to continue with that. 1 upon, now here 1 plus c plus, this is 1 upon a. 1 upon a means in place of a again I am supposed to put this. What will happen in place of a if I write 1 upon bc? So bc will come to the numerator, 1 will remain in the denominator. Okay, that I will show in the next step. Now if you take the LCM of this number, what? The denominator. bc is there, b is there. What will be the LCM? bc. Okay. But what will come here then? For this there is 1 only and there is no denominator in the sense. It is bc. bc plus, here it will be 1 plus, here b is there. What is not there from the LCM? c. So it will be c. See, this is the main fraction. Okay, this is the denominator. Hope you understood how we have taken the LCM of this. If you keep b, c and b, now b ones c ones, b into c is bc. So bc will be the LCM. So here bc will be the LCM. Then if it is only 1, we have to multiply whole bc to it to make it as so. Here nothing, because already bc is in the denominator of this. Here we have to multiply by c because it has to be equal to bc. Now here what is happening? Plus, now if at all 1 upon, if I have to take c as the this one denominator, then c plus bc plus 1 upon c. The this one LCM will be c for it. Here nothing is there, so c multiplied. Here also nothing is there, c is multiplied. And here only c is there. We don't have to multiply anything and we have it here. Now look at this. Now here you may say, ma'am, what we are doing here? Here we are not taking decimal. First we will make it reciprocal. Whose reciprocal? This reciprocal. If this whole fraction is here, it has to be turned into the numerator as denominator, denominator as numerator. We have c plus bc. Here there is no denominator, we don't have to worry about it. Now this is the part where we have to see. Now if I take the reciprocal and write, what will it be? bc upon 1 plus c plus bc. Why am I arranging like this? The last one has come like that. If we arrange it in the same way, we'll be able to understand what will be the LCM. Here also c upon 1 plus c plus bc plus 1 upon 1 plus c plus bc. Okay, so this is it. Now you can see 1 plus c plus bc, 1 plus c plus bc, 1 plus c plus bc. This is the same denominator that we have. So 1 plus c plus bc I can write here in the denominator over here. Now you can see if all the denominators are same, we can just add the numerator. What it is? 1 plus c plus bc. Now you can see that all three terms in the numerator and denominator are equal, but please remember, you cannot just cancel bc, bc, c, c and 1, 1. If we cancel like that, what will happen? Whenever cancellation happens, it is division. It means ones will remain. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. No, it's wrong. The whole entire bracket is going to cancel, being the same, and the operation is also same. So lastly you will get 1 as the answer. Check with it. We'll go ahead with the next question, that is 21st question, which is pretty easy for all of you. Okay, here we go. The question number 21. Question number 21 says square root of a to the power minus 1b into can be written as a dot also. It is called as dot multiplication. Here it is c to the power minus 1 into a is equal to 1. Okay. Here I would like to tell you another this one under root, how we write it in the exponent. I did not tell you in the rules. So whenever there is a number under the square root sign, it is written in the exponent form as 1 by 2. Now if there is any number over here, how to write that? Now see here, if there is fifth root of a, now what will happen is a to the power 1 by 5 means whatever is there in the square root sign, that will always be written as the denominator. Furthermore, now if at all here is there, ma'am, it is seventh power will take seventh root of a to the power 2. Where will we write this, ma'am? Hold on, look what we can do. This was there, a is there, whatever is there under the root sign, write it first. Now square root of seventh root of this one, how we will write? 1 by 7. Now what does the rule? A to the power m raised to the power n says a to the power m into n. So 2 into 1 by 7 will be 2 by 7. This can also be directly written like this. I made it in 2 steps because to explain you, because you are facing it for the first time. That's why. Okay, you can directly write this to this. Now why did I explain this is because we have a square root here, but I will not change it the square root sign in the very first step. This is LHS, so don't hesitate to write the LHS this one and then start. I will be starting LHS is equal to this. You cannot solve it simultaneously. So here what will be b by a to the power 1 by 2. Hope you are understanding this. This square root sign is written here as 1 by 2, but a was to the power minus 1. So it should be written as 1 by a. 1 by a is b. I will write it slowly, wait, otherwise you will be in a confusion. Okay, let me continue the square root sign. This will be written as 1 by a into b. This is minus sign, so it is 1 by a here. This also 1 by b into c. This also 1 by c into a. Now what rule did I use here? A to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m. This is the rule that I have used. Now, so this can be written, you understand that 1 into b is b upon a, but b upon a is having a square root. Square root can be turned into 1 by 2 as a power. So here also c by b to the power 1 by 2 into a by c to the power 1 by 2. Now you can see that powers of all numerator denominators are same here. If we look into it, b is here and b is in the denominator. Now if you want to separate it and write, you can write, but there is no need. Like what? B to the power 1 by 2. What is coming in the multiplication? C to the power 1 by 2 into a to the power 1 by 2. And here it is a distributing, no? A to the power 1 by 2, b to the power 1 by 2 into c to the power 1 by 2. What did I use here? A upon b to the power m is equal to a to the power m upon b to the power m. Now you may say, ma'am, it was just dividing them into two parts. Why did you write in multiplication? Why did I write in multiplication? Because they are already in multiplication. This dot shows multiplication operation. Now you can see that b also has 1 by 2. This b also has 1 by 2. These all are in the denominator, so we can subtract all of them with the same base. Now means what? Now here, see here, b to the power 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Why? Here it is in the division. If you go take it to the numerator, it will be multiplication, subtraction. Then a to the power 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Now all of them will have the power as what? 0. C to the power 0, a to the power 0. Anything raised to the power 0, what you will get? 1. But what it will be? 1 into 1 into 1 is 1. Never ever write as in confusion as 3. It cannot be 3. You have step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5. In 5 steps you will be able to get the answer. Okay, you have any queries, you let me know. Comment in the comment box as whatever your query, the first step, second step or third step, how did it come or something like that. Okay, you can ping me personally also if you are not comfortable posting a comment after the video. Now let me take another question, that is, this was a 21st question, then I have to have another list. Okay, 24th question I have. We'll just check it quickly. It's given that 1960 is equal to 2 to the power a into 5 to the power b into 7 to the power c. Okay, we need to find out the value of a, b and c, as well as a to the power okay, find value of a comma b comma c, how much. And there is one more question which is saying that related to this only, you have to find the value of 2 to the power a minus a into 5 to the power minus b into 7 to the power b or c. Oh, this was c and this is b. Well, now first let us find out what are these a, b and c are, then only we'll be able to find the value of this one. So to find that, what we are supposed to do is first find out whether this 1960 is a product of 2, 5, 7 in the multiple this one. So 1960, you don't have to do it in the okay, I only will do it in the main page, then you will not do that mistake. So 1960, find the prime factors. So if at all you start from 2 to 18, 8 is 16 and 0, 2, 4 is 8, 2 9 is 18 and a 0. Then you get what? Another 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8, 2 5 is 10, 5, 5 4 is 20, 5 9 is 45. Then you have 7 7s and 7 1s. You can see that 1960 can be written as 3 times 2, 1 times 5, 2 times 7. Now I will not write below this because I have to solve more, so I am going to erase this. You do not do anything cross or this one, you have to keep it as it is, no worry. You can write it as 1960 is equal to 2 to the power 3 into 5 into 7 to the power 2. Now 5 doesn't have any power, that means what it is? 1. Now this only I am going to use. Now see, it's given that what? Implies sign. 1960 can be written as this now. 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 1 into 7 to the power 2 is equal to 2 to the power A, 5 to the power B, 7 to the power C. Okay, now let's see. Now you know by using what? By using, what was it? P to the power A, Q to the power B, R to the power C is equal to, you can change this one, it's not like, but the only thing is base should be same, P, Q, R. If we have taken A, B, C here, you can take X, Y and Z. Then what will happen? A is equal to X, B is equal to Y and C is equal to Z. Now see here, in place of P, Q, R we have 5, 2, 5, 7. In place of A, B, C I have 3, 1, 2. Therefore what will happen? 3 is equal to A, or A is equal to 3, both will be fine. A is equal to 3, B is equal to 1, C is equal to 2. These are three values, but we have to find what? The value of this part. 2 to the power minus A into 5 to the power minus C into 7 to the power B is equal to 2 to the power A means what? 3, but negative 3, into 5 to the power C means 2, but it is negative here, so negative 2, into 7 to the power what? B. B is what? 1, so that only is positive. Now what will happen here? Both of them being the negative power, 2 to the power 3 will come down, 1 upon 5 to the power 2 will come down into 7. Now look here, in the numerator nothing is left, only 7. 7 into 1 is 7. Now 2 to the power 3 is 8, 5 to the power 2 is 25. 25 8 is what? 200. So 7 upon 200 is your answer. You have to read the question completely so that you can answer all the sub questions. Sometimes we have assumption in our mind is only the powers or this one is asked. Once we reach here we leave it, but this is remaining to find. You have to finish this also. So hope you have understood this. You have to write the reason. This is the reason when this is this. Now it is very important to do so. Okay, here again we have used another law. A to the power minus m is equal to 1 upon A to the power m. Okay, so thus it becomes 7 upon 200. Hope you have understood this. I request again same, if you have not got enough explanation at any point of time, take it as step number 1, reason. Step number, this is answer for the first part, then calculating the second part, out of which you can ask me anything which is not understood. Let me go ahead with one more video and then I will end all the videos for this, whatever I planned for the indices chapter. Thank you.